All right. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a quick market update on airware trade. In case you are new here, click the subscribe button and also click the like button. All right. So if you watched my previous video, which I posted on Friday, I analyzed five markets. We analyzed five markets. So those five markets, I broke them down, my approach on how I'm going to be approaching the market and what I'm going to be doing for this week that just came to an end. Currently it's 1:06 1 a.m. All right, Saturday, March 7th, March 7th, March 7th, 2026, Saturday, 1 a.m. So it's pretty late right here in Lagos, Nigeria. So my first pair on my list, the first pair on my list is GBP NZD for this week. GBP NZD is a bearish market. I've been selling this market for the longest time. If you have been following up on me, go back, just watch my previous video. Most especially if you have been following up on me on S. So you will know that I've been trading this market for a while. I started trading this market all the way from this zone. So this week I was simply looking to continue the sell, simply because I go with the trend. I'm a pure technical trader. So and I go with the trend. So this week I was waiting for this market, like I explained in my last video, that I was waiting for this market to pull all the way to this level, give me a quick rejection. Once I have that rejection, as I do retest, I'll go down to the 2 hours and go to get my entry from the 2 hours, which I did. I got my entry on the 2 hour as at this level, 7 a.m. Monday. This market happened on Monday. The market played out on Monday, broke below on Monday, gave me a retest that Monday as well, 7 a.m. happened pretty early. I entered this market, gave me my 1 to 4 as at this level, 1 to 3, using 15 pips SL, 1 to 3. This just happened really fast. That was pretty much it for GBP NZD for this whole week. This week I didn't see any other trade. All I saw was this market just kept buying up. After this market just kept buying up. So on the 4 hour, we are bullish on the 4 hour on this market. We are also bullish on the daily on this market. So I don't know if I'll be trading this market next week. The next pair on my list was GBP AUD. GBP AUD, another interesting pair. So actually I analyzed five markets. I had 5 executions this week, which is over trading. I had 5 executions. 2 was a loss and 3 was a win. The first one was GBP NZD, which I just spoke about. That was a win. I had 1 win at that level. But for GBP AUD, I had 3 executions on GBP AUD. All right. So firstly, I was waiting for this market to break below, give me a retest for me to sell. Go back to my previous video, you see everything there. So this happened on Monday as well. This happened on Monday, 7 a.m. Same time GBP NZD happened. GBP NZD gave me an entry as at 7 a.m. GBP AUD gave me an entry as at 7 a.m. as well. So I entered these 2 pairs at the same time on Monday morning. So after the same entry was given, both pairs, same entry that was given on GBP AUD was given on GBP NZD. So I had this breaker retest, had my entry 7 a.m. I entered this market. This market gave me 1 to 5. 1 to 4 as I this, but I left as I almost 1 to 5, but my main target is 1 to 3, which is 45 pips using my 15 pips. So I entered this market and this gave me a 1 to 3. So on Monday, that same Monday, during the New York session, this market pulled all the way back to this zone, gave me a pullback into my area of interest and gave me this beautiful rejection. And whenever I have that rejection and I'm having the 2 hour closing below, I'm always looking for an entry. So what I did was simply look for an entry, and what happened, this market gave me another entry, same entry here, same entry on GBP NZD. This is more of an indecision right here. I had this on the 1 hour, I had a bearish engulf on the 1 hour, had a bearish engulf on the 1 hour for Monday, the first market that happened. Then after that I had an indecision. This was just beautiful confirmation. On the 1 hour at this point, I had a pin bar at this level, pin bar formation already pushing the market to the downside. On the 2 hours, giving me an indecision, beautiful movement as at this zone. But unfortunately, this market kicked me out. It just wicked me out. This is where my air placement was just as at this level, but this market just pulled up the way to about 17 pip. Let's just call it 18 pip. This is 17.9. 18 pip, and my SA was just 15 pip. This market wicked me out and then went in my direction aggressively, did about 100 pip plus. That was pretty much it for this. This was my first pair. This was the only 2 trade I was taking on Monday on GBP AUD. So on Monday I had 3 execution. Just Monday alone I had 3 execution. 1 was a loss and 2 was already a win. Then GBP AUD again on Thursday. I had this market broke out on Wednesday. I was actually expecting this market to give me a retest this Wednesday, but it didn't happen. But on Thursday it gave me a retest. After this retest, I entered this market and this market pull up to 30 pip. Pull up to 30 pip. Then what? Reversed against me and kicked me out. That was pretty much it for GBP AUD. GBP AUD 3 execution, 2 was a loss, 1 was a win. So the next pair on my list is GBP card. GBP card. Go back to my previous video. You see where I analyzed this market previously. Okay, the week before this week I analyzed this market and I didn't get no entry during that week. This week again, no entry was given on this market. Broke below, retested on Friday, sold. On Monday I was looking to trade this market on Monday. It retested on Monday, but this happened at about 7 p.m. No entry was given, so this market just kept selling. So the whole week, but I didn't get any entry. I didn't participate in this movement to the downside. My next part on my list was Euro AUD. Euro AUD, beautiful pair. This is a bearish market as well. All these markets are just bearish markets. This is a bearish market as well. So what I was waiting for was a breakout. I had this breakout as at 11 a.m. Monday morning. 11 a.m. Monday morning. So after that breakout, all I do is wait for an entry. I had this breakout. I had this retest as at 1 p.m. So what I was waiting for is an entry. I had this 2-hour bearish engulf. Like I mentioned last week, if you go back to my previous video and observe that video, watched it and listened closely, you will know. And listening attentively, you will understand why I said I will be taking my entry from the 2 hours. I had this bearish engulf from the 2 hours. Entered at this bearish engulf, which was 3 p.m. This went my direction beautifully. I actually left this market at this point, which was 1 to 4. Let this market at 1 to 4. Beautiful move. This guy came back. This market came back. Gave me this beautiful rejection to the downside. As at 3 p.m. having this 1 hour beautiful movements at this zone, but I didn't enter this market. I didn't trade this market. As at 4 p.m. I didn't trade this market. I simply just let it go. Then again it came back again as at this zone. Came back into my area of interest, rejected, gave me an indecision candle and sold to my direction. But I also wasn't part of this pair because this happened pretty early. It happened early. I was still asleep during this time, but this market happened. Then it came back again on Thursday. Broke below, retest, came back again. Like, this was just perfect. This was just a textbook trade. As at 7 p.m. too late. The timing was off. I stopped trading as at 7 p.m. You can't be giving me an entry that time. At that time, so I wasn't part of this trade. You can see this pair came back 1, 2, 3 times, but I wasn't part of it. I took the first time the market broke below and retested. I got this interest at the zone. So the next pair on my list, which is the last, USD card. I absolutely enjoyed trading this pair, but unfortunately I had no entry this week. I was waiting for this market to break this zone, just as my arrow is indicating. Break this zone, retested, then set to the downside. This market finally broke this zone, broke out of this zone on Friday. If you go back to my previous video, you see where I spoke about USD card. USD card has just been consolidating for a while at this level, almost 2 weeks at this level. So this week I was actually anticipating this market breaking below this zone, which it did, but I wasn't part of it. I wasn't part of the movement to the downside. I wish I was part of it, but it's okay. I already had too many execution this week alone. 5 execution this week alone. So last week I caught out 4 pairs, which was the week before this one. I caught out 4 pair, all went in my direction, and we actually made money from that market from last week. So last week, this week, I think it's safe to say I'm on a 2 weeks winning streak. So this is a 2 weeks winning streak because this week I'm still up. 5 execution, 2 was a loss, then 3 was a win. That is a win, you know. So it's safe to say I'm on a 2 weeks winning streak. Let's see how long we can maintain this winning streak. So next week I might be trading USD card as well. I'm trading USD card as well. I'm not so sure on GBP NZD and GBP AUD. Not so sure about those two pairs. GBP card, Euro AUD, USD card. The chances are high because they are still bearish markets. So that is pretty much it for now. Okay, it's 1 a.m. here in Nigeria, March 7th. It's after midnight, so it's pretty late. It's really late. All right, that's pretty much it. See you all. Watch out for my next video that will be dropping on Sunday. Okay, which is just tomorrow. Today's already Saturday, which is tomorrow. Watch out for my video where I'll be breaking down the market I'll be interested in for the coming week. So that's pretty much it for this week. Stay tuned, stay blessed. If you are new here, you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video. All right, and watch out for my next video. Peace out for now.